Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix the "you don't have permission to save in this folder" problem that you might have when you try to save some file. Windows shows you that problem, shows you that error, and you can't save it. So before we start, I just want to say to subscribe to my channel for other tutorials on Windows, Fortnite, League of Legends, etc. And now we can start. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and basically all you want to do is just go to the start menu, type this PC and click on it. Now once you're here, you'd want to go to your local disk C and click on it. Once there, click on users and it should load. So I have only two users, mine and the public user. You would want to click on the user. So basically the user should have a name that you gave your laptop when you installed Windows 10, etc. So for me it's the first one, and you want to right click that and open the properties of that folder. Now once you're here, just go to the security tab and click on advanced. Okay, so now once you're here, just click on change under owner. It says system, so I want to change that. Just click on the change button and click on advanced. Once you're here, you'd want to click on find now and just look for the user that you want to add in the list below. So basically I can already add everyone. So there is I think there is everyone. Yeah, okay, so there it is, everyone. So you can add that to grant permission to everyone, to every user to on your PC. But I'm just gonna choose my username. So click on that and click on OK. You can also choose the everyone on the list. Now click on OK, and your user should be added as owner. As you can see, I already have my user and it also already has full control. If your user doesn't have full control, it's easy to change. Just click on your user, right click on it, so double click on it, sorry, and choose the basic permissions. So you'd want to choose everything from here, or just click on full control, and that's it. Click on OK and select the box that says replace owner on subcontainers and objects. So check that box and click on apply, click on OK and click on yes. It says all permissions will be replaced if you press yes. Now just let it finish. So just let it finish, guys, and that will be it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment.